These are not toys. What you're about to see are some of the most insane giant-scale RC machines ever built. Turbine-powered jets, massive helicopters, hydraulic excavators, and gas-powered monsters so realistic they look completely real in motion. And once they start moving, crowds go completely silent. Let me start with something that made an entire airfield go completely silent the moment it appeared on the runway. The RC Boeing 747-400 built by Addy Pitts is not a toy. It is a 4.95 meter wingspan, 5.43 meter long all-composite masterpiece that weighs 68 kilograms and flies on 4 real IQ Hammer turbine engines. It took 2,000 hours to build and is modeled after a Virgin Atlantic 747-400 inches full livery with working retractable landing gear. When it lifts off the ground, it does not look like a model. It looks exactly like the real Queen of the Skies reduced to 1/13 of its original size. Standing at the runway watching this thing climb into the sky is one of those moments that genuinely makes you question what human dedication is actually capable of producing. From commercial aviation to military transport, the RC C-17 Globemaster, built by Colin Strauss of Ripmax UK, is arguably the most technically ambitious RC aircraft ever constructed. It was built for a Discovery Channel documentary and took a team of 4 specialists to complete. The wingspan stretches to 20 feet. It runs on 4 JetCat P120 turbines, producing over 100 pounds of combined thrust. The cargo door opens and closes pneumatically, and here is the detail that stops people cold. It actually drops a scale Land Rover mounted on a parachute during flight. Real parachute, real drop, from a radio-controlled airplane. The engineering involved in making that work reliably in mid-air is genuinely extraordinary, and watching it happen in person must feel completely surreal. Moving from the skies to the ocean, the Bancroft USS Nimitz RC aircraft carrier brings the most iconic warship ever built to the water in 1/200th scale, over 5 feet long, built with ABS, fiberglass, real wood, photo-etched brass, and steel parts. This ship arrives ready to sail straight out of the box. 4 electric motors keep it moving, with smooth, precise speed control. The flight deck comes dressed with 6-scale jet aircraft. It runs for up to 80 minutes on a full charge. Watching it glide across a calm lake with that unmistakable supercarrier silhouette is the kind of experience that makes you forget it is not the real thing. It is simultaneously a display piece worthy of any shelf and a fully working RC vessel capable of commanding serious attention on the water. Now here is one that does not just fly, it puts on an air show. The RC A-10 Warthog, built by Arve Jensen, spans 3 meters across, stretches 2.75 meters long, and weighs 25.5 kilograms dry. It flies on 2 B100F jet turbines, carries a scale 30mm nose cannon that fires sparks to simulate the real GAU-8, and has CNC machined retractable landing gear with electric brakes. Every panel line, every rivet, every maintenance hatch is reproduced with aircraft industry-grade composite materials. When this machine makes a low pass over a crowd with those turbines screaming, the reaction from every single person watching is immediate and identical. Pure disbelief, keeping that sense of scale but bringing it firmly back to earth. The Liebherr 9995 RC hydraulic excavator is what happens when someone decides that scale model should mean exactly that. Based on the world's largest hydraulic mining excavator, this 1/20th scale all-metal replica stretches over a meter long with the arm extended, weighs up to 75 kilograms, and runs a full dual-pump hydraulic system that actually digs, lifts, and moves material with real hydraulic pressure. The detail is relentless. 19 LED lighting functions, proportional control over every joint, a sound system that mimics the real machine. This is not a toy that pretends to be an excavator. It is an excavator that happens to be operated by remote control. From Earth back to the sky, the giant-scale RC B-17 Flying Fortress, built by Peter Pfeffer, spans 19 feet, runs on 4 42cc gas engines, and weighs 187 pounds. It took 4 years to complete, using traditional balsa and plywood construction with functional flaps, working retractable landing gear, and Weightronic radio gear. The aluminum overcast livery is painted with the kind of accuracy that makes warbird historians stop and stare. When this B-17 climbs to altitude and banks overhead with those 4 engines running together, the sound alone is enough to give anyone chills. It is a flying memorial to one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history, built by someone who clearly feels every bit of that weight. The Milmi 24 Superhind RC helicopter by Heli Classics takes that same level of dedication and puts it into the most menacing helicopter ever designed. With a 2.5 meter rotor diameter, a 3.25 meter fuselage, a turbine engine, and 24 kilograms of takeoff weight, this machine carries every authentic detail of the Soviet Hind attack helicopter, including the tandem, dual cockpit, stub wings, rocket pods, anti-tank missile replicas, and full working lights. Watching it hover in ground effect is the most unsettling and impressive thing in RC aviation. It genuinely looks like the real thing at low altitude, bringing things back to the ground with tremendous energy. The Losi 5 IVT is the machine that permanently changed what large-scale RC racing looks like. This is a 1/5 scale 4-wheel drive short-course truck powered by a Genoa G320 32cc pull-start gas engine built specifically for this platform. The AWD drivetrain is derived directly from TLR race technology. It hits 30 to 40 plus miles per hour, handles rough terrain with a confidence that smaller RC vehicles simply cannot match, and sounds like a real racing vehicle when it is running hard. When the original 5IVE-T launched in 2011, it set a benchmark in large-scale performance that the entire industry has been chasing ever since. Then there is the Helifactory RC Airbus H160, the most stunning scale helicopter currently flying in the RC world. At 1/5.5 scale, with a 2.34 meter rotor diameter and a price tag of around €40,000, this is not a hobbyist purchase, it is a commission. The real Airbus H160 is one of the most technologically advanced civilian helicopters ever certified, with Blue Edge rotor blades and an 18% fuel consumption reduction over its predecessor. The RC version captures every line, every curve, and every detail of the original with a fidelity that makes experienced helicopter pilots look twice when it is hovering in front of them. There is nothing else in RC rotorcraft that comes close. Closing out this unbelievable lineup, the 49cc gas-powered Towie is exactly what the name promises and somehow still manages to exceed every expectation. Based on the same gas-powered platform used in large-scale RC builds like the Primal RC Raminator, this custom-built tow truck takes a 49cc two-stroke engine producing over 6 horsepower, mounts it inside a meticulously detailed large-scale RC tow truck body, and turns every single run into a spectacle. The gas engine sound, the weight of the machine, the way it hauls and maneuvers on demand, all of it contributes to an experience that electric RC vehicles simply cannot replicate. Pull start, full throttle, and the crowd gathers every time without exception. This is the machine that reminds everyone why large-scale gas-powered RC will never go out of style.